So how do you approach the job hunt? You approach it just like you approach anything else. I like to call this robotic confidence, meaning you are goal-based. You move your emotions out of the way. There is something you are looking for, which is a salary. Also, you need some place where you feel accomplished, some product that you feel excited about. This is a list of things that you want. You go and you look at a company. Does it have 1, 2, 3? Yes? Okay, we apply. No? Next one. You don't sit and linger and feel anything towards anything. Because you are goal-based. You want the goal. You don't want emotions right now. Emotions will come later, when there is something to feel about. Right now you are only looking at a screen, you're looking at a job listing. What's there to feel about? Why have you attached anything to this job hunt? There is nothing to attach to. Where is these emotions coming from and where are they going? They're not going anywhere. There is no place for them. So why have them? Now you are looking for a company. Same way when you're looking for a partner. You look at the women, you look at the men. Do they have what you want? There is no place for emotions yet because you don't know them. Same way, you are goal-based. Emotions come later. When you meet the person, when you stay longer at the company, you learn about them. You start to develop some emotions, some attachment. You like the company, you don't like the company. I'm not saying you should remove your emotions entirely. Of course, you are human. You must be humane. You must feel things. You must have a certain way of empathy to talk to another person. But you between yourself, you and yourself don't feel emotions when you are looking for a job, even when you are looking for a partner. This thing where you see the person, oh, love at first sight, that's crap. Doesn't exist. There is attraction at first sight. You like the way they look. Then you may feel something when you get to know them. If you feel something before you get to know them, then this is you again attaching something that doesn't exist. You're throwing things out there. There is no place. She doesn't even know you. He doesn't even know who you are. The company doesn't even know who you are. They're gonna go through the candidates just like you're supposed to go through the companies. They're gonna look at this. There's a candidate. What do I want? 1, 2, 3. Do you have it? No. Bye. Rejected. 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 Accepted. It's a robotic kind of process. You have the same process towards the companies, towards the things you want in life. Remove the emotions when they are not needed.